form is this? That's right. Standard form. That's all right there. Professor Dumas. Even listed. Okay, what's my A? That's right. 3. What's my B? And what's my C? Okay, what is the axis of symmetry formula? Negative B over 2A. So negative 6 over 2 times A, which is 3. So I have negative 6 over positive 6, which is negative 1. So my axis of symmetry is x equal negative 1. So let's draw it in. X equal negative 1, which also happens to be the x value of my vertex. Okay, now we need to find y value for my vertex. What do I do? Plug it back in. So I have y equals 3 times negative 1 squared plus 6 times negative 1 plus 1. Negative 1 squared is 1. 1 times 3 is 3. 6 times negative 1 is negative 6 plus 1. So what's my y? That's right, negative 2. Okay, I have my vertex. I need 2 more points to draw a parabola. I'm going to pick 1 less, negative 3, 1 more, 0. I'm going to use 0. So y equals 3 times 0 squared plus 6 times 0 plus 1. What's y? 0, because this is 0 plus 1. If this one's 1, it's symmetric to the vertex. What's y value for negative 3? That's right, 1. You guys are awesome. Okay, let's plot these and draw them. Negative 1, negative 2, 0, 1, and negative 3, 1. And there's my parabola. Hey, I heard you guys made football season so difficult that the coach doesn't want to coach you anymore. Yeah. Good job. You're welcome. Questions, comments, concerns? Good. Let's go to the next one. You're supposed to do number 5. This one's easy. Easy peasy because it's in vertex form. What's my h? That's right, negative 3. What's my k? Good, 7. My vertex is hk, so it's negative 3, 7. My axis of symmetry is x equals h, or negative 3. Nope. Because the formula is plus k. At the same time. Okay, my vertex, negative 3, 7, which means I need 2 more points. I need 1 less. I'm going to choose negative 4 and negative 2. I'm going to use negative 2. So y equals negative 2, replace x with negative 2, plus 3 squared plus 7. So I have negative 2 times negative 2 plus 3 is positive 1. Positive 1 squared is positive 1 plus 7. Negative 2 times 1 is negative 2 plus 7 gives me 5. If this one's 5, this one has to be 5. Okay, let's plot these and draw our parabola. Negative 3, 7. negative 4, 5, negative 2, 5. And here's my diseased parabola, or as I say, parabola. Easy peasy, right? Bless you, my son. All right. Let's see. You had a intercept form or factoring, right? Huh? Okay. So number 8. How do I solve in intercept form? Set the quantities equal to 0. And then solve for x. Those are my intercepts. So positive 1 and negative 3. So positive 1, negative 3. So I'm going to use my way to get the axis of symmetry. So I'm going to count 1, 2, 3, 4. Take 4 divided by 2 is 2. So I'm going to go back 2. 1, 2. There's my axis of symmetry, x equals negative 1. Mr. D's easy way. Okay, that's also the x coordinate of my vertex. I have to find the y coordinate. So all I'm going to do, plug in negative 1 for x. So I have negative 1 minus 1 times negative 1 plus 3. So negative 1 minus 1 is negative 2. So I have a minus negative 2 times negative 1 plus 3 is 2. So 2 times negative 2 is negative 4. Take the opposite of that, that's 4. Yes, sir. No, thank you. So negative 4, positive 4. I have my 3 points. There's my diseased parabola, as I like to say, parabola. Easy peasy, right? Yeah, but it's really easy. It's insulting your intelligence. By the way, we're going to do like we may spend a whole week on application problems. So get used to this application problem. Let's do it. What form is this in? That's right, intercept form. Okay, here's one factor being multiplied by another factor. What's one easy way to tell that this is in intercept form? There's no x squared, right? Okay, so I set each one of these equal to 0. So x equals 0 and x minus 6 equals 0. So what are my x-intercepts? So 0, positive 6. 0, positive 6. My axis of symmetry, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 divided by 2 is 3. Go back 3. 1, 2, 3. Axis of symmetry, x equals 3. Okay, now let's think about this. It says the woodland jumping mouse can hop surprisingly long distances given its small size. A relatively long hop can be modeled by this intercept form equation, y equals negative 2/9 times x times quantity x minus 6. It says how far can the woodland jumping mouse hop? Well, look at our graph. How far can he hop? Starts out at 0, right? How far can he hop? 6. See, I told you it would insult your intelligence. Okay, you're welcome. So he's here, but how high did he drop? Hop. Well, we have to find the y coordinate of our vertex, right? Our x coordinate is going to be x equals 3, so 3. we need to find the y value of our vertex. How do I do that? Plug it in. Y equals negative 2. I told you this would insult your intelligence. We're going to plug in 3 for x. 3 minus 6. Sorry, I'll let you catch up. Are you good? Okay, so negative 2/9 times 3. What's 3 minus 6? Okay, so I have negative 3 times negative 3 is 9. Let's rewrite this. I have negative 2/9 times 9, negative 9. And I'm going to put that over 1 because we're multiplying a fraction. Look what happens. My negative 9s cancel out. What do I end up with? 2. Okay. So how high did he jump? 2. And if you want to show a picture, there's a little mouse. He jumps, 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 jumps. That's as high as he goes, then he jumps and jumps. You do not have to go below the X line because that's the ground, right? He can't jump below ground. If he would go below ground, he'd go straight to hell. Yeah, straight there. It's all empty, all the way to hell. Boom, 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 boom. Gets fried. Any questions? Okay. If you noticed, you picked up another packet today, right? So this homework, this packet is your homework packet. And this is the last unit. Hey. This is the last unit we're doing this semester, so this may be all the homework you get for the semester. I'm sorry, we call this practice work, right? I don't know. What I don't know anymore. I'm out of the loop. Okay, so I may add note sheets and I may add more practice work, but I'm going to try to stick to this. One of the note sheets that I gave you was this factoring flow diagram, right? Yeah. Keep this, don't lose this. We're going to, after we do the word problems, we're going to do factoring again. Do factoring again. Okay? It's a chart. I'll let you use it on quizzes and test if we do them. Okay, so today you are supposed to do page 199. Page 199. Numbers 16, 17, 18, 29, 30, 40, 41, and 47. Now I believe 40, 41, 47, it says the graph. I don't think it's necessary as long as you get it on your calculator and you can just, it's asking you to compare the two graphs. Put the two graphs on your calculator and just describe the differences of the graphs. 47, you're just trying to find the slope. Okay? Questions, comments, concerns? Yeah, you got no test tomorrow. I moved it to Tuesday. Yes.